హాయ్ పిల్లలు, హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. సో వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ అండి. మీరు ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని దీక్ష యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో చూస్తున్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమం పేరు మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే, నిర్మాణ్. సో మరి ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో మనం ఎన్నో వింత వింత విషయాలకు సంబంధించినవి, అలాగే ఆశ్చర్యాన్ని కలగజేసేవి, అలాగే మనలో ఉత్సాహాన్ని, క్రియేటివిటీని, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ని అన్ని రకాలుగా కూడా ఉపయోగపడే ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ని మనం ఇక్కడ ఎలా చేయాలో నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. సో వాటిని ఎలా ఉపయోగపెట్టుకోవాలో కూడా తెలుసుకుంటున్నాం. మరి అందులో భాగంగా మనకు ఈరోజు ఒక కొత్త సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ గురించి, అంటే కొత్త అంశాలను తెలియజేసడంలో భాగంగా 2 కొత్త సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ గురించి మీకు చెప్పబోతున్నారు. ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ మన వీడియో ఎడిటింగ్లో ఉపయోగపడుతున్నాయి. మరి ఈ వీడియో ఎడిటింగ్ మనం ఎందుకు వీడియో అవసరమవుతుందో మీకు తెలిసిందేగా. మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ తయారు చేసుకుంటారు, వాటిని వీడియో షూట్ చేసుకోవాలి, రికార్డ్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఎడిట్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఇలాంటి అవసరాలు మీకు ఉంటాయి కదా. మరి దాన్ని చేయడాని కోసం మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవడానికి మనతో పాటుగా ఉన్నారు కిషోర్ గైక్వాడ్ గారు ఫ్రమ్. హాయ్ సార్, వెల్కమ్ టు యూ ఫర్ ది టుడేస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. మరి ఈరోజు జెడెన్ లైవ్స్ గురించి, అలాగే ఇన్షాట్ అని 2 రకాలైనటువంటి వీడియో ఎడిటింగ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ గురించి మనతో చెప్పబోతున్నారు. సార్, వెల్కమ్ టు యూ సార్. సో అవర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ enthusiastic and they are waiting for your class. So go ahead.
Thank you very much, Ismail sir. And good afternoon everyone one more time. Today we are going to see 2 softwares. One is that you can use on your computers, and another that you can use on a mobile. And these softwares are basically used for video editing. If you want to make your own project videos for project documentation, that you can use it for ATL marathons or many other competitions, or your project presentations into exhibitions. These are the softwares that you should know how to use. These softwares are freely available on internet. The first software that we are going to see is Kdvenlive, which is computer-based software. And if time permits, we will see. I mean, definitely I will cover both. The other part is InShot. That application is available on Android phones that you can use to create videos on your phone. So before taking much of your time, I'll start sharing my screen. Just a second. Yes, sorry about that.
Today you are going to learn about Kdvenlive-Open-source software for video editing. This is a software, it's a open source, means it's a free software that you can use this for a video editing by using your own audio files, video files and images, and also own voice recorded files. By using this software, you can prepare a video for Atal Marathon or different competition. Let's start to learn about Kdvenlive software. Today I am going to explain you how to download Kdvenlive software and how to use that software to edit the videos. First, we'll go to Chrome and type Kdvenlive software download. Okay, here you will find a first link, that is a download Kdvenlive. Click on that. So there are 3 versions, one for a Windows and another one for a Linux and another one for a Mac OS. So I have a Windows PC. So I'll download a Kdvenlive file for a Windows. So now it's downloading. So I'll cancel this file because I have already downloaded this file. So here is the file. Okay, double click on that file. So it will go for a installation process. So here click next. Okay, I'm using this for just for me. So click next and again click next for selecting the path and click again next. it will take some certain of time to install that software in your PC. Meanwhile, we'll explore what we are learning in this session, and like what are the topics we'll learn in this session. So I'll take you there. So here are the 7 topics today we are going to learn, that we can call it as a basics of Kdvenlive: downloading the software, importing the videos, adding the audio file. These are the 7 different uh, topics that today we are going to learn, like clip editing, animating the video, animating the clips like this. So I'll explain you about the software, how it works, and all the things. Now our software is installed. So I'll close. Okay, I'll finish the process. Now I'll go to search and I'll type my software name like a Kdvenlive. So here is the software I found in my PC. So click on open. So it will open the Kdvenlive software. Meanwhile, we have to give an access for a network. So I'll maximize the screen of Kdvenlive software. Here you can find project bin, clip, clip monitor, and project monitor. So these are the menus or navigation menus in a Kdvenlive software. We can explore this afterwards. So this is a timeline. So first we are going to learn project bin, clip monitor, and a project monitor tools. So this is a project bin. So we can find our project components here. This is a clip monitor and this is a project monitor. So in a project bin, we can add our audio files, video files, and images. Or whichever we added here, if we click on that file, it will show here. So we'll maximize the clip monitor screen little bit so that we can see properly. This is a project monitor screen. So all this together will show in a project monitor screen. So I'll show you how it works, but the thing is first you have to understand the project bin, clip monitor, and a project monitor. So if I choose one file in a project bin, so it will, that file only play in a clip monitor. So I'll show you that one. But the thing is that you have to understand what is clip monitor, and if all together, if I added in a video or if I added in a audio file, it will all together show in a project monitor. So next one is how to download and install a Kdvenlive. See, I already downloaded the Kdvenlive software and I already installed that Kdvenlive software. So before after this one, how to import the um, our videos and audio files. So I'll show you how to import. Import means we have to drag and drop our video and audio files from file manager. So here I have already some video files. I'll show. Okay, I'll take those videos into my software. So here are some videos. I'll just select and drop into project bin. See, I'll select prepared video or screen recording. We recorded some videos. From there only, I'll select some videos to make a one large video. So I selected one file. Okay, so it's loading. So see, this is how we have to add videos into there, into the project bin. So it's a loaded, right? And the second thing, and okay, now how to import video is completed, and we'll add some another 2-3 videos or one or some audio files to make it more easy. So see, I added another one video, and I'll take some along with another one video. Okay, some random videos. So you can make it proper way, or if you made any video of your project, you can add that also continuously. And the next one is how to import videos into Kdvenlive. Okay, that is completed. The third one is video trimming and clip adding in a timeline. So this is a timeline. Timeline means on what time which video has to come, or which audio has to come, or which photo has to come. As I already showed you, what if you click on project bin items, that part only show in your clip monitor. This is how clip monitor works. Okay, now video trimming and clip adding in a timeline. Okay, first we'll do one thing. We'll add the videos into a clip monitor. Okay, timeline. So this is a timeline. This is how we can add our videos into a timeline. Just drag and drop into video one or audio one. So here is the full 13 minutes of video, and I'll add this video also again, and this is also. See, just you can drag and drop your video into timeline, so it will come into timeline. So I'll do the third one also. See, this is how add we can add our clips into timeline. Now we are going to explain the video trimming. So how to trim our videos which are in a clip, okay, which are in a timelines. So there are two options. One is sliding the end of video. This is what we call it as a reducing the video content, and the second one is a trimming. There is a one Caesar icon, right? Just you can click there, and you can, if you put on any part of video, just there is a one arrow mark. Click on that, and click on the part, right click, and you can delete that part of video. And also you have another option. In your keyboard there is a delete option. Just click on uh, part and just delete that part. Fourth one is title clipping. So in a project bin you can find many templates like a title, adding color clip, but today I'll explain you how to add a clip. So just click on title clip animation. See, these are the angles like left, center, and right side. So you can zoom that text part also to make it more clear. So now I'll add some text like a Canva design. So this is how you can add the text. So here we can select the text color also. See, if I use blue color, it will come. If I use white color, it will also come. So I'll use white one here. Okay. Now we by just clicking that text platform, you can adjust that text into any area of that project. So these are the different options, and this is a background. So ultimately it will not work because we are using that background as a image or as a part of that clip. So it will not come. Okay. So after clicking, just click on done. So it will come into project bin. See, here is a Canva design. So I'll just adjust my video little bit to add that in between the video. See, I added that Canva design clip in between two videos. See, this is how you can add your text template in between two different videos. And we can do this for animation also. I'll explain that part also. So here is an animation. There is an end start view report and edit end view report. Like there are two parts. One is a start view report and another one is a end view report. See, for this we need some little bit modifications. I'll explain what you have to do and how you have to do. Just double click on that Canva design. So you will find, okay, just drag and drop that viewport. So it will animate your text part. So I'll show you. Okay. See, okay, the pattern is as usually you can select or you can. It's not the important thing. See, this is how it will animate. See, the Canva design will move to starting point. The same thing you can see in a timeline also. In the next part is image, video, and audio import and ungrouping and grouping of those images, videos, and audios. I'll explain you very in a simple way. As we already imported a video part, okay, I'll explain the grouping. Grouping means adding two different concepts like videos and audios. Why we need grouping means while we rendering the files, we need both video and audio as a output. For this reason, we have to make a grouping. The importance of a ungrouping is dividing the video and audio files. So it will give you can record your own voice by dividing both video and audio file, and you can group again those videos and audio files to render again. Now we'll import an image which we already done previously for a soldering. I'll use that image only. Here I found fume extractors, so that we already done this for a Canva design. So you can add any images which is related to your project, or which is related to which while you are doing a project, you can click that photos and you can add that photos in between these images to show off that we done these things. And you can add many videos, or you can put any images. Just drag and drop into project bin, so it will come. See, uh, the image part is too large compared to the video one space. Just we can reduce that image part. Means I as I already told you in a first step, we can reduce also, or we can trim also. See, this is how it will come in between two different videos. Understand? The second one is you can add multiple images in between two videos. So now this is just a simple task you already done for three videos. Now we are going to import the audio files. Now we have two options. One is recording and another one is outsourcing the audio files. Like we'll go to Chrome. There I'll take a new tab. In that tab I'll type video background music download. So there are some certain websites which will provide a free background musics for your videos or some YouTube videos. So these are different types of what categories like presentation, YouTube, fashion, like this. Now I'll play audio file. Now click on free download. So the file will automatically start to download. Okay, now the file is downloaded. See, I'll just click and drag and drop into Kdvenlive project. So here it comes. So now what I will do, I'll just drag and drop that audio part into my timeline. See, I added this in between 13 minutes, so you can just put that video in any part of time by just dragging or you can move that video part. This is how you can move your audio parts or video parts just by dragging and moving into left or right, so that it will adjust for your time. So now it's for 0. Now I'll play this audio for you so that you can understand how it will work. Okay, now now I'll play the audio part so that you can hear the voice. Okay, the next one is grouping and ungrouping of those videos, audio, and images. How you can group and how you can ungroup. So these are orange lines are already grouped. and the below audio file is not a group. So first we do ungrouping. Just right click and just click on ungroup of files. See now audio, video or both are ungrouped. So this is how you can do ungrouping. So the next one, you can group those videos by just selecting shift and just click on three videos, or else you can just drag and drop. Okay, now right click at group. The same thing, there is two options. One is a group and the next one is ungroup. So all three videos, okay, one video and all two different videos are grouped. The next one is video resize and audio record. How you can resize the video? It may be in a way of time, or it may be in a way of speed, so that you can resize in a both way. The trimming and the resizing both are a different concepts. Trimming means cutting the part of the video, uh, like this is a trimming. Resizing, reducing the or increasing the part of video. Okay, video resize. So as I earlier told, okay, this is a one method. So I'll show you how to change the speed. So just right click. There is a one change speed. You can enter randomly based on your preference. Like it may be 150 or it may be, see, the now the video is too fast. So I'll increase the speed of the video. Now 150 to okay 200. See, the video size is reduced, right? This is what we call it as a resize. And the speed of video is also increased. Now I'll show how to record the audios. So audio means A1 or A2. See, for video there is a V1, V2. For audio there is a A1, A2. Video V means video, A means audio. V1 means first video, V2 means second video. Okay. So now I'll just click on A2 and click on insert. There is a one audio record track. Okay, this is a audio record. Click on just audio record and give a track name. It's not a mandatory to give a track name, but it's very important to giving a track name, just because you can identify which part you are recording. So now this will come as a A3, means audio 3 for this video. See, just by clicking that red dot, it will start the timer. See, now I am continuously explaining that this is also recording behind the video. Okay, now I'll stop that audio. So this is a recorded video. Okay, audio clip. By just, there are two options. One, you can use a space for pausing the video activity, audio activity. And the last part is rendering of a video and audio file. So how render means, see, we done all the video part editing and we added some videos. So now rendering means you can just download, or we can just convert that file into video file. Just go to project. There is a one option called rendering. So you can render any part of video or all part of video. See, these are some video files. These are some images files, and there are some ultra high definition, means UHD and HD files. See, I am selecting MP4. Okay, if the file name is already existed, you can give a one. Okay, it will give one pop-up like output file already exists. So now what you can do is you can change the name of that file. See, here it's a untitled, right? Just click here, give a random name like, okay, we are doing this for a Canva design, right? Canva design. See, this is how I changed my like title of that video. See, there are some certain options like full project, selected zone, right? So I'll show you. So if I selected the full video of these things, so it's a full project. I want to render any part of that video only, we can select that part only and we can render that part by selected zone. See, now I'll do render to file. See, now what happening is in a job queue it will appear here. What it will take some time to render the video and audio file into MP4 file. So it will take some certain amount of time. I'll speed up the video so that I can show you more clearly. Okay, we did some little bit speed up. So now our rendering part is completed. The file is stored in a user Vigyan videos Canva design. If I double click on this video file, it will automatically open and it will start play. Okay, see, I double click it. Now the video audio okay. Now the video and audio both are playing. Okay. 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 I gave a proper name like a Canva design. So now our rendering part is completed. So the thing is that we have some other options to change the title of that clip Canva also. I'll show that part also because that will compared to animating in a Kdvenlive is good in a Canva. So I'll show you how you can do that. Just go here and type Canva. So here you can just select a presentation. So a presentation means it's a screen size of your video. Okay, now I'll select this presentation. Okay, now it's open. See, just type here. Okay, here there is a text, right? Just click on text, add heading, so it will come here. Just type Canva design. See, here there is a one option called animate. So just click on animate. See, you can use this animation, page animation or a clip animation for your title animation also. See, these are the different types of page animation, and the same thing you can increase the length of this video also. See, I'll use this one. Okay, this one I'll just select. So here it's a time, right? Just you can increase the time, so it will play for 11 seconds. Okay, I'll put this as a 11. See, now it's a 11 second. Okay, now I'll download. Okay, now what I do is I'll download this as a MP4 file. See, here is a MP4 file, right? Just click on MP4 and download. The same thing you can add into your Kdvenlive file, so it will give the same feel that title animation, right? Clip animation. It will give the same feel, but the thing is that there you have a less animation effects. But in a Canva, you have many more clip animations. So now the file is downloaded. Just I'll go to Kdvenlive. So first what I do is I'll delete the I'll add that file in the end. See, I'll add the file here. Already exists. Okay, just click into file, go to downloads. See, our file is here. So I'll show you one. Right. Just drag in, drop into Kdvenlive. Now I'll add this animation in a starting because this is a title animation, right? So we'll add this into the starting point. So I'll drag this one into starting point. So see, I am using a cursor to drag and drop the design. See, okay. Compared to Kdenlive, Canva is very good for animating the title clips or animating images. But in a Kdenlive, we don't have that much animations. In a Canva, we'll get multiple types of uh, animations or styles for effects. So I'll put here. Okay. First, we have to ungroup this. Okay. Understand? Okay. First, I'll ungroup these clips. See, now we can drag our clips. Right. So now I'll add, okay, I'll reduce the size of this clip and I'll put the Canva design here. See, now it's adjusted, right? This is how software we have to uh, add our Canva design animation thing. Uh, and the second thing, I made this for a Canva design. If you want to make your own design or own video, you just go to Canva and type your title. It's not mandatory like a Canva design. It's all a title clip based on your project name. It may be a soldering station, or it may be any toy projects, or it may be any modeling and crafting material. Like that, based on your preference, you can give your title in a Canva. Not only like a Canva design, you can give anything. This is all about Kdenlive. The thing is that we learned here is rendering the video, adding the video, uh, adding the multiple clips of videos, adding a voice, adding a pre-recorded video, already adding a pre-recorded audio file, and all. And also we learned about how to record the audio of our own voice.
So you learn now one application, that is Kdvenlive, on your computers, that you can use, download it from the internet and start using that software. So how to add images, how to add different small video files, and then create entire project video. You can add a title, you can change a color, you can animate your title, you can record your own voice, you can add a music, you can add different pictures, and definitely export or render that entire file as one video file. So that is one thing. Now, in case you do not have, uh, if you want to make the video quickly, and if you have all the photos and videos available on your mobile, how to use, application on your mobile? That is one application called as InShot that we will see, and then we will cover that quickly. Just give me 2 minutes. Now we will see this application on mobile. So my mobile screen is shared now in this video, and I'm recording it for to explain you how to use this application. In this session, we are also going to learn another application for video making that is available on Android Play Store. It's called as InShot. So this is the app InShot. I'll open this app. Now, in this app, you will have three options. One is video editing or creating, another is photo, and then collage. So since this session is about video making or editing, I'll click video. So it will show me different options like new, that is plus, and there are previously made videos and other drafts. So to create a new video, I'll click plus for the new, and it will take me to the gallery. So I have saved some pictures for creating a video separately. So what I will do is I will add pictures and videos. I will add all the pictures and videos into the into this. So before that, uh, I will choose one, then second, third, and fourth. Then I'll click select. Now this there is a timeline here. I will see all the photos, videos added at the bottom, and there is also you can see the time at the end. You can see this as I scroll the videos or pictures on the left. I can see the timeline 17 seconds, 18 seconds, like that it will show. And in this user interface, there are different menu. One is canvas, another is music, sticker, text, filter, then pip, duration, and there are many like split, delete, background, speed, animation, crop, then volume, voice effect, replace, duplicate, reverse, rotate, flip, freeze. So there are many tools that are available into the menu here. So let's see one by one. What we have done is we have added some pictures and videos. You can also add more pictures, more videos using this plus red button. So I want to add one title before this video. So what I will do, I'll click this plus button into this red button, plus sign. So I will add a blank slide in the beginning. So if I just play this, what I will see is I will see the blank title, blank slide. Along after that, the next pictures will come. So what I want to do is I want to add a title to my video into this blank slide. So what I will do, I will just click this T text. So it will allow me to use my keypad. So this video I'm going to make is about paper circuit. So I will add a title, paper circuits. Okay, circuits making. So I have another option here to change the color of the text, to format the text. So for example, if I want to change the color of this text, this button I will click, and I have so many different colors that I can choose, the text color. So this, for example, I'll just selected this, and I can also choose the border of the text. Then if I want to have shadow, then opacity. I mean, if I click this 100% opacity maximum, then it will become transparent. So if I click this, it will become transparent. Okay, so I will keep 100% opacity. Then shadow, if I add shadow, now since the background is red, it will not be that effective. But yes, you can add shadow. If I add border of say red color, I can add border like that, or I can choose I can change the color of the border also. So like that I can add. If I don't want to have border, I just click this delete border. Now, and then there are this font I can choose, font of the text. So I can choose different fonts here. So right now I'm just choosing this font for my video, and then there is a formatting. I can keep this, or I can increase the font size by this, clicking this T. Then this button, next button, is increasing the size between the letters. So like that, or I can also increase the line spacing. Now since there is only one line, what I'll do is I'll just enter this another word here, and then I'll click middle. Yeah, and now if I increase the length of the size of the line spacing, now see, this is the line spacing increasing. Okay, now I'll say yes. Now I want this title to be only in the beginning. I don't want this. So if I just choose this, accidentally if I move this title here, so what I can do is I can click this right arrow and I can choose until where I want this text to be. So at either I can choose until entire video end, or just clip end. I'll just select clip end. Okay, if I select this video end, it will go until video end, which I don't want. Okay, I don't want this title to be entirely up to the for entire video. So what I'll do is I'll just now bring it back. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I haven't shared. Yes, can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, just a second. Just. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Ismail sir, can you hear me? Hello? In this session, we are also going to learn another application for video making that is available on. Can you hear me or not? Hello? Yes. Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Yes, I'm able to hear you, but are you able to hear me? Hello? Can you see me? Can you see me? Hello? Yeah, can you see me? Hello? Okay. Just let me know whether you are able to hear the voice of the screen. Just a second, let me share it. Application for video making that is available on. Okay. On Android Play Store. It's called as InShot. So this is the app InShot. I'll open this app. Now in this app you will have three options. One is video editing or creating, another is photo, and then collage. So since this session is about video making or editing, I'll click video. So it will show me different options like new, that is plus, and there are previously made videos and other drafts. So to create a new video, I'll click plus for the new, and it will take me to the gallery. So I have saved some pictures for creating a video separately. So what I will do is I will add pictures and videos. I will add all the pictures and videos into this. So before that, I will choose one, then second, third, and fourth. Then I'll click select. Now this there is a timeline here. I will see all the photos, videos added at the bottom, and there is also, you can see the time at the end. You can see this as I scroll the videos or pictures on the left. I can see the timeline, 17 seconds, 18 seconds, like that it will show. And in this user interface, there are different menu. One is canvas, another is music, sticker, text, filter, then PIP, duration, and there are many like split, delete, background, speed, animation, crop, then volume, voice effect, replace, duplicate, reverse, rotate, flip, freeze. So there are many tools that are available into the menu here. So let's see one by one. What we have done is we have added some pictures and videos. You can also add more pictures, more videos using this plus red button. So I want to add one title before this video. So what I will do, I'll click this plus button into this red button, plus sign. So I will add a blank slide in the beginning. So if I just play this, what I will see is I will see the blank title, blank slide. Along after that, the next pictures will come. So what I want to do is I want to add a title to my video into this blank slide. So what I will do, I will just click this T, text. So it will allow me to use my keypad. So this video I'm going to make is about paper circuit. So I will add a title, paper circuits. Okay, circuits making. So I have another option here to change the color of the text, to format the text. So for example, if I want to change the color of this text, this button I will click, and I have so many different colors that I can choose, the text color. So this, for example, I'll just selected this, and I can also choose the border of the text. Then if I want to have shadow, then opacity, I mean, if I click this 100% opacity maximum, then it will become transparent. So if I click this, it will become transparent. Okay, so I will keep 100% opacity. Then shadow, if I add shadow, now since the background is red, it will not be that effective. But yes, you can add shadow. If I add border of say red color, I can add border like that, or I can choose I can change the color of the border also. So like that I can add. If I don't want to have border, I just click this delete border. Now, and then there are this font I can choose, font of the text. So I can choose different fonts here. So right now I'm just choosing this font for my video, and then there is a formatting. I can keep this, or I can increase the font size by this, clicking this T. Then this button, next button, is increasing the size between the letters. So like that, or I can also increase the line spacing. Now since there is only one line, what I'll do is I'll just enter this another word here, and then I'll click middle. Yeah, and now if I increase the length of the size of the line spacing, now see, this is the line spacing increasing. Okay, now I'll say yes. Now I want this title to be only in the beginning. I don't want this text throughout the video. So if I just choose this, accidentally if I move this title here, so what I can do is I can click this right arrow and I can choose until where I want this text to be. So either I can choose until entire video end, or just clip end. I'll just select clip end. Okay, if I select this video end, it will go until video end, which I don't want. Okay, I don't want this title to be entirely up to the for entire video. So what I'll do is I'll just now bring it back. You can use this, you can scroll it and you can drag it again, or you can just say undo. Okay, now you can use this undo button for this arrow you can see here. Now I have added text. Again, if you want to edit this text, what you can click is edit this. In case you want to make changes, you click this edit button. Now I'm done with text. So now let's see how it looks like. Okay, yes. So let's go back again if I want to add any stickers or emojis, you have these standard stickers available here. You can add some photos that you want to add. Say for example, if you have a logo of your school, I can browse that, I can browse, there are these photos, I can browse from my mobile, I can browse these photos. Likewise, I have already browsed the logo of our organization Vigyan Ashram. I'll add that logo and I can resize using these arrows. So I can resize it and place it here. Okay, you can add a logo as image or sticker. Now I want this logo to be throughout there in my video. Okay, if I just click it, it will look like this now. Okay, this logo is there even in this part of the video. Okay, now I can also edit this one more time. If I just click, if I want to edit the video again, the logo, it was added as a sticker. So what I will do is I'll click sticker and it will come here, and I can place this logo anywhere. If I want to just change the position of this logo, I'll just move it anywhere here on the top. So it will look like this. Okay. Yeah. So this is about adding a logo. Now another tools that we will see here is you can drag the photos. Now it is showing 5 seconds. I can drag it and I can adjust the time for which this photo will be appearing in the final video. Say I want this photo to be appearing only for 2.5 seconds. I can drag, and the same things, this second photo to be for 2.5 seconds. I can change the timing. Now there is a video clip. This is a video clip that I added. Now I can edit this video clip. For example, I can change the speed of the video clip. I can increase the speed of this video clip, in case I want to run it fast. Say I want to make it 2 times faster. I will just change it, and now you will see. Now I'll just make it to original speed. I can do like that. Now this is the speed button. Now if you want to delete some part of your video, what you can do is you can use this split button. There is a split button here. Let me see, where is it? I need to click this and then split button. Okay, if I click split, I can undo that. I will show you one more time. Split, and then I will go here and again I will click split. So I have one small portion I have clicked. I can increase just speed of that portion. Okay, just speed of that. Only that much portion will be speed. You can speed up. I'll undo that. Okay. Now there are other options. Crop volume. You can increase the volume of this clip. You can increase more than 100% if you want to have that louder. You can also extract audio from this original file. If I extract the audio, if I want to say delete the audio from recorded video already, I just extracted that audio and simply click this and delete. Now you can remove the audio from the already recorded video. I don't want to do that. I'll just do say undo. So you can extract the video. Okay. Now you can also rotate or flip the picture. Like for example, if I have this picture and if I want to flip, I'll simply flip the direction of the photo. Okay, you can do like that. Or if you want to have rotation, you can rotate the picture. Okay, so this is about rotate button. Now accidentally I increase the time. I want to 2.5 seconds. I'll just increase. Okay. Now if I want to add a music to your video, you can also use music button, but before that I will show you filter button. Now in filter there are different options: effect, filter, AI filter and adjust. So let's see adjust. In adjust you can use lightness, contrast, warmth, and then these are the options available in the adjust button. Now I can increase the contrast of the picture, or for example, if I come here and I can increase the contrast of my photo, or I can increase the saturation. It will become little, color wise you can see. If I increase the contrast, it will change the contrast of my photo. Or if I can increase the lightness, I can increase the brightness of my photo. Or if I want to have filters, I can use these different filters available. Okay, I'll say, for example, if I choose this and click OK, and I have added filter to this. Now then there are other filters as well. Here you can see there are many filters available. Okay, I'm not going to show you in much detail, but you can use these filters. I'll go back, and then there are effects available. What you can do is you can make these type of effects to your photo. You can make it like this. Okay, another thing that you can do is you can make it black and white like old movies. Then you can add this as if it is getting recorded. Then you can add this flash, or you can make it little neon type. There are many effects that are there. If you want to add make a little bit blur, you can make your photo blur. You can adjust the how much you want to make it blur. Or if you want to make it like a glass, you can make. Then if you want to just part of your photo to be make it blur, you can adjust the range. Which part of your photo you want to make it blur, you can adjust the range. Like that you can make many filters. If I want to delete this, I'll just delete this effect. Okay, right? So these are the different filters. You can also add music. You can record your own voice. You can add effects, or basically you can add music. So there are different musics here. So what I can do is I will plus add music, then featured music. There are some music already available here. You can choose all musics from this menu here. If I just select this, I need to click this use button. Music will be added. Now if the music, sometimes the files are too big, what you can do is you can select this. You can basically click split, and then it will split the music file, and extra music file you can delete. Now remaining music file you can change the volume. If I want to have reduced volume, I can add. And then there is fade in and fade out. Means fade out is at the end the music will slow down, the volume will slow down for 5-6 seconds, so that all of a sudden the music will not stop. For last say 6 seconds, 5 seconds, the music will slowly get slowed down. So like that. Now my music is already added. If I play this, it will look like this. Now it will look like this. Okay. Now my video is almost ready. So what I will do is I will just click this save button. Now what I will do is I will click this save button and save this as 1080 resolution. Okay, and I click this save. Now my video is getting saved, and after the video is saved, you can find it into the folder. So this is how this InShot application works. You will find this video into the InShot application folder. Like for example, if you go here,
If you go here, you will find in insert folder. Yeah, in this you will find it. Okay.
Yeah. So that was all about video editing softwares on your laptops, computers, or on your mobile phones. So I hope you enjoyed this session. You learned these features, these softwares, and I am sure that you will be using these softwares and tools to create different videos for your projects, for your competitions, marathons, exhibitions, and so many things. So that's all from my side today. uh, Ismail sir, are you there?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్. యా, చూశారు కదా, చాలా చక్కగా మన వీడియోల్ని ఎలా మనం ఎడిట్ చేసుకోవాలి మన అవసరాలు తగ్గట్టుగా అని వివరించడం జరిగింది. మరి మీరందరూ కూడా మీ ప్రాజెక్టులను వీడియోస్ చేసుకొని వాటిని ఎడిట్ చేసి చక్కగా వాటిని ఫైల్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. భవిష్యత్తులో అనేక కాంపిటీషన్స్ వస్తుంటాయి, వాటికి ఉపయోగపెట్టుకోవచ్చు. అలాగే మిత్రులతో కూడా మీరు షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Thank you very much, Kishore sir. Excellent, nice presentation. So hope our all subscribers enjoyed this program, and all our students will follow and make use of the learnings what happened. So we'll meet in next week at the same time with another fresh topic. Antavaraku andarki bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.